Welcome to Vestlye. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to deposit funds into your account, claim bonuses, and start trading effortlessly. Step 1. Click the deposit button. To start, log into your Vestlye account and click on the deposit button from the dashboard. Step 2. Choose a deposit method. You'll see multiple deposit methods to choose from, such as TRC20, Ethereum, BTC, BNB, Litecoin, and Dogecoin. For this tutorial, we'll proceed with the TRC20 method as an example. Step 3. Enter payment details and select bonus. Next, enter the payment details. Here you'll notice an option to claim a bonus. A 50% bonus for deposits between $20 and $99, a 100% bonus for deposits over $100. For this example, we'll deposit $1,000, which qualifies for a 100% bonus. Step 4. Confirm deposit. Once the details are filled in, click on the Deposit button. A QR code and the wallet address will appear on the screen. Use this address to send the deposit amount from your crypto wallet. Step 5. Check transaction history. After sending the funds, click on the Transaction History tab to check the deposit status. Initially, the status will show as pending. Step 6. Verify and check balance. Once the deposit is verified, the funds, including the bonus, will be added to your account balance. And that's it. Depositing on Vestlye is quick and simple. If you have any questions, feel free to contact Vestlye support. Thank you for choosing Vestlye, and happy trading.